In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click in Squarespace to reach your website settings and invite a contributor so you can transfer ownership smoothly. Start by heading to Squarespace's Create Your Website page. This is the standard starting point for setting up or managing a site. If you're not already signed in, Squarespace may prompt you to log in first so it can load your account. Make sure you're using the account that currently owns the website you want to manage, since ownership options only appear to the current owner. From there, look for the account dashboard. It typically appears in the main navigation after you sign in. Click Account Dashboard to open your central hub, where you can see all the sites and services connected to your Squarespace account. This page is designed to help you jump quickly into a specific site without hunting around. Next, click on Website inside the dashboard. This takes you into the editing and configuration view for your chosen site. Think of this as the command center for your site's content, design, and controls. Now, open Settings. You'll find it in the site's left-hand navigation. Inside Settings, use the search bar to look up Permissions. This is the area where you manage who has access to your site and what level of control they have. Permissions are role-based, which keeps things organized and secure. In the Permissions section, click Invite Contributor. This is the path Squarespace uses to facilitate an ownership transfer. Inviting someone as a contributor lets you define their role, and that's where you select the level of control you want them to have. To transfer ownership, choose the role that grants full control to the person you're inviting. Enter their email carefully and review the details before sending. If you see prompts or confirmations related to transferring ownership, follow them to proceed. It's a good idea to double-check that you're inviting the correct person and that they're ready to accept promptly, since pending invitations can delay changes. Once the invitation is sent, the recipient will receive an email from Squarespace and can accept to complete the handoff on their side. Keep the browser tab open until you see that the invitation has been issued successfully. After acceptance, verify in Permissions that the roles are set as intended. If you manage multiple sites, repeat the same path: Account Dashboard, Website, Settings, Permissions, Invite Contributor for each one. That's it. You've navigated from Squarespace's Start page to your Account Dashboard into your website settings and used the Permissions area to invite a contributor for ownership transfer.